Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're working in computational fluid dynamics, you already know the engineering landscape is constantly shifting. But there's one shift happening right now that's just impossible to ignore. Python is no longer just a side hobby. It has absolutely become one of the most critical tools out there for automating your workflows, analyzing your data, and massively boosting your daily productivity. So let's be totally honest for a second here. Are you still running your CFD simulations one by one? We've all felt the pain of manual setups, right? You tweak a parameter, you hit run, and then you just sit there watching a progress bar crawl along for hours. It is a massive drain on your time. But Python acts as the ultimate relief for this exact bottleneck. Okay, so here's our agenda for today. We're going to follow the natural life cycle of a modern CFD simulation. We'll start with the automation imperative, move through batch runs and data extraction, touch on visualization and optimization, explore gaining full control with PyFluent, and finally, look at the future of CFD. Let's dive right in. Section 1, the automation imperative. All right, that brings us to trick number 1, batch automation. This is that critical evolution from a manual setup to streamlined execution. Instead of running simulations individually, Python can automatically execute dozens or even hundreds of Fluent cases for you. It handles all the heavy lifting while you get to focus on the actual engineering. Just contrast that tedious manual effort against the sheer power of Python. By setting up a simple Python loop, you can automatically change boundary conditions, swap out material properties, or alter geometry parameters without lifting a finger. The results? You completely eliminate hours of repetitive manual labor. It's a real game changer. Section 2, batch runs and data extraction. So what actually happens after those automated batch runs finish? Well, usually you're left staring at thousands of data points spread across multiple files. Trick number 2, automatic post-processing, handles this brilliantly. Python automatically reads those exported Fluent reports for you with absolutely zero manual effort on your part. Python instantly extracts vital engineering quantities right from your reports. We're talking pressure drop, lift coefficient, drag coefficient, and heat transfer rate. It pulls these out and instantly organizes everything into structured tables, making your analysis immediately actionable. Section 3, visualization and optimization. Now, once you have those structured tables of data, you need to make visual sense of it. That brings us to trick number 3, visualization. By utilizing powerful libraries like Matplotlib and Plotly, engineers can completely bypass manual chart creation to generate publication-quality figures directly from their simulation data. Instead of fumbling around with clunky spreadsheet charts, Python scripts seamlessly do it for you. Convergence plots, comparison graphs, and performance curves are all created flawlessly and consistently. They're basically ready for your next presentation instantly. And that seamlessly flows into trick number 4. Optimization. Now this is where things get really exciting. Python makes it possible to take those CFD simulations and connect them directly with advanced optimization algorithms. Think about the traditional manual testing approach for a second, guessing and checking different designs by hand. With Python, you let optimization routines take the wheel. They automatically search for better geometries, fine-tune operating conditions, and discover optimal design parameters without you having to intervene at all. Section 4, full control with PyFluent. This is kind of the ultimate culmination of our workflow, taking us to trick number 5, PyFluent automation. PyFluent is absolutely incredible because it bypasses the graphical interface completely. It provides engineers with direct programmatic access to ANSYS Fluent entirely through Python. The end-to-end process here is remarkably smooth. You launch your simulations, modify your solver settings, and initialize the solutions. Run the calculations while monitoring convergence, and finally export the results, the whole shebang. Every single one of these actions happens under the hood. You accomplish the entire process without ever once touching the graphical interface. When you combine these 5 techniques, batch automation, automatic post-processing, visualization, optimization, and PyFluent, you achieve incredible benefits. You're drastically cutting down your engineering time, you're vastly improving the consistency of your work, and you're ensuring your results are fully reproducible every single time. Section 5, the future of CFD. As we look at the broader horizon, it's pretty clear the industry is moving rapidly toward intelligent automation. Python isn't just a simple script runner anymore. It is actively becoming the mandatory bridge that connects traditional simulation, optimization, and artificial intelligence into one highly efficient workflow. So I'm going to leave you with this provocative thought. Look at your own daily habits and ask yourself, is your workflow ready for the future? Are you still relying on manual clicks, or are you ready to fully embrace the power of intelligent Python automation in your CFD projects? The tools are literally right in front of you. Start experimenting with these 5 tricks today and completely transform the way you engineer.